So many stories and so many aviators from our region have made significant contributions to aviation, and those stories deserve to be told. Not only are we proud of the work we do, we're proud of the way the aircraft looks. It's been said that they look like they're ready to take off, and that's the point. We want people to walk through, read the stories of the aviators, and especially kids. They dream. They imagine themselves as those pilots, and then we tell them that those pilots were once your age, and they were dreaming as well. We want to ignite that spark. We want to help them to understand that whatever they dream, they can become. And those aircraft do it. They do it quite well.